Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we execute the JavaScript code by using the Selenium webdriver in Python. So this is one test I created which will navigate the URL. Okay, here is the one application, right? So like suppose that first I am going to show how we scroll down by using the Selenium by using the JavaScript code. So go to the developer tool. Here is you can see console where we can write the JavaScript code and execute on the browser, because browser has a JavaScript interpreter. That's why we can execute the JavaScript code here. So like suppose that I'm going to scroll down this window by using JavaScript code. So we have method scroll to. We can pass here the position x and y. X I am providing 0 and for the y I am providing suppose that 1000. If I enter here, you will see the page will automatically scroll down like you can see. So now how we execute this code into the Selenium by using the Python code. So let's see. So yeah, above URL will navigate the same application what I have shown on the browser. Now here call the driver dot execute script and pass your JavaScript code here. Now when we run this test, it will scroll down the page. Now running the code and you will see. You can see it's scroll down. Let me add some sleep so that you can see the execution. Added here code time dot sleep to. Now running the test. Then you can see now it scrolled down. Next, let me show you how we perform click in the element by using JavaScript code. So here we have href. Using this we can create CSS, and here we can create document dot query selector and pass the selector here. So this is CSS selector, so it should be in square bracket. Now just calling the click method. So document dot query passing the CSS selector and then click method. If I enter, you will see A/B testing link will click. Now clicking, you can see page is opened on next page. Similar type, if we want to get the text here, then how we do that? Let me create CSS selector again. So document dot query selector, then here square bracket and CSS selector. Okay, yeah, you can see div is getting. If you want to go in the P, so we need to get the CSS selector of P. Just use here P. Now you can see P value we are getting. Now if we want to get the text, so we can call text or inner text, right? This is giving the text. Now if we want to retrieve the text and click on the button, how we do? Let me add all these two in the here. So for this I will use driver dot execute script, pass the script. So there is already double quotes and single quotes are available, so let's use triple quote, single quote. Okay, this is return type, right? It will return the value. So now here I can use a return method, apply return Okay, and this value, what value it will return, I can store in a variable, text variable. Now one more method we need to call here to click on the ab link, ab testing link. So let me capture the JavaScript code what I added here. So this is the code, right, which will click on the ab test. So let me copy here. Here again I need to use triple quote because both double quote and single quote internally using. Okay. Let me print this text on the console. So what I am trying to do here, I am scrolling down, executing one method. Second method, I am clicking on the AB test link. This is the JavaScript code. Next JavaScript script code I have written to read the text from the page and storing in text variable. Now you will see text will store in this variable. Scroll down and click on here. Let's see we have received the text or not. Yeah, here is the text. We can see, right? Same text what we have received here, also known as split testing, also known as split test. So using JavaScript code, we can scroll down the page, we can click, as well as we can get the value from the UI. Any JavaScript code what you will write, you can execute by using JavaScript execute method. Here we have learned three examples. Scroll down window, scroll to the click on the element by using the JavaScript code, get the value by JavaScript code. Now, let me show you how we scroll down the page for any particular element. Like here, we want to execute the page on particular element, right? Like I'm going to get shadow root. So let's capture the shadow root element first, creating the CSS selector, copy here. Now use the driver dot find element by dot CSS selector, pass the selector value. Okay, it will return the web element object. Now next, we need to execute the JavaScript code to scroll to this element. So for that, again call the driver dot execute script. Okay, pass here the methods arguments 0 dot scroll into view method and pass here true. Okay, then second argument here pass of element. Now let me run and you will see it will scroll down to your element. Yeah, scroll down here further to view the element. Next, if we want to click, how we do the click by using the element object. So for that, here we can call the click method argument 0 click method and then passing the element. Let's see now. Scroll down and click, right? So here we learned 5 examples how we execute the JavaScript code. One is the scroll to the window. Second is click using the JavaScript code, JavaScript method. Get the text from the UI. And next, how we click by using the web element object. How we scroll to the view by using the web element object. Okay, thanks for watching the video. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, click on like buttons, as well as click on the bell icon so that you can get latest notification of my videos.